In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a combined bar and line graph in Excel. Let's open an Excel document. This is a multi-column table that I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to make a combined chart with a bar and a line graph. To do this, select the whole table. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the menu bar, click on this icon. This icon represents a combo graph where you can combine your graphs. Let's select the first one. You can see here that the graph does not show the profit data as a line graph. It shows the data as a straight line. In the menu bar, click on Change Chart Type. In this menu, check the secondary axis for the profit data. Click on OK. Here you can see that we have combined a bar and a line graph together. Now let's format it a bit for better understanding. Select the line chart and right-click on it. In the pop-up menu, add data labels. Now select the bar graph and right-click on it. In the pop-up, click on Add Data Labels again. As some of the data labels are interfering with each other, let's move the bar graph data label. Double-click on the bar graph data label. This will open a formatting menu for the data labels. In the formatting menu, change the position of the labels to inside base. And our work is done here. Our graphs are combined and data labels are added for better understanding.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.